There was a customer who almost lost confidence in workshops. He didn't know which one he could trust anymore because his Alphard had a steering noise issue. Previously, he went to another workshop for checking. They told him the steering assembly needed to be replaced, and the cost was more than $2,000. But the customer felt something wasn't right because it had already been replaced before. So he searched online and found a workshop that specializes in Alphard. They had very good reviews, and MD Auto was ranked #1. He felt it was reliable and trustworthy, so he decided to make an appointment for inspection. They were very professional. First, they went for a test drive together to confirm the actual problem. In the end, they found out it was just a small issue and a loose bolt. After tightening it, the noise was completely gone. Problem fully solved. In conclusion, not every noise means you need to replace parts. Sometimes even a loose bolt can cause the issue. Instead of blindly replacing parts at high cost, a precise diagnosis can save you money, reduce stress, and save time. If you've had a similar experience, feel free to share it in the comments.
MD Auto.